How good are you at handling insults, judgment, criticisms, or even compliments and praise? So, in the compliments and praise, do you brush it away, cringe with embarrassment, break out in tears, or can you just say, thank you? In other words, can you handle it? Is an interesting question. Insults and criticisms and judgments. Again, are you offended, upset, angry, shut down? It doesn't touch you, it doesn't bother you. And in the whole kind of discussion about free speech, the tendency is to protect people's sensitivity and by controlling free speech, so we don't let people be upset and offended. However, if we can learn how to handle energy, to recognize what our upset emotions are, an injury, an energy blockage of ours, that we can heal that and help that energy to flow. In my experience, when I've done that myself and I've helped others to do that, we can develop the resourcefulness and become the person who can handle it. In other words, it gives us strength and abilities. And in the end, when I've done that for myself, I've actually become thankful for the insults and criticisms that were hurled at me at the time. It's a journey to get there, but emo, energy and motion, in, through and out, enables you to navigate those emotions and use that energy to grow and transform ourselves. So when you handle compliments and praise, when you can take it in, it really lets you blossom and lights you up, as some of you will know if you can handle it well. And it's nourishing. Both are nourishing. I like to think of it as fruits and vegetables. The fruits you enjoy eating, and the vegetables maybe you do, but if you don't have them, you don't get the strength that nutrition gives you. And so both are necessary for us to learn how to handle. So if this resonates with you, if you're interested to develop yourself to be able to handle both and have some fun exploring that, I have a workshop this month on the last Friday of the month on using energy in motion, emo, to handle incoming insults and criticisms and handle incoming compliments and praise, and evolve ourselves, to grow ourselves up, to be stronger, to be brighter, and have some fun and learn something while we're doing it. Do think about coming along. There's a link somewhere around the video to the registration page for the workshop. And this is just one of the monthly workshops I do in Energy Magic Monthly. So when you hit the page, have a look at some of the other monthly workshop themes that we have going, and you might want to sign up and join us for 3 or 6 months and have some energy magic fun as well with us. Thanks for tuning in.